Kate. I just wanted to do a short little video to show you how there's a function of the web toolbar maybe not covered in other materials. And this is for occasions where you have, say, a picture or something that you weren't able to read. It's not in HTML, it's not in PDF. So I've turned on, I'm going to assume at this point that you've got to read the web toolbar going, and you've got it turned on, you've got your toolbar present. And this captures a screenshot of the web page for reading in Kurzweil. So you click on this button, the last one, and you get 4 lines. It's a grid, and you click and drag across an area of the screen. And what it's going to do, it's then going to launch Kurzweil 3000 on the web. So it's a little confusing. It goes from Kurzweil to Kurzweil. It goes from read the web to Kurzweil web. And then you're in the normal Kurzweil 3000 window, and it's taken a screenshot and transferred it over to Kurzweil. I hit play.
Ice cream delivery.
And that way you can read something that's in an image form and that perhaps wasn't able to be read by some other method. Just one more option for you. Okay,